Halo Infinite is getting new game modes sooner than you think. There's gonna be 3 modes, and this is gonna be a 3-part series. So this video we're gonna talk about is Extraction, and this one has so much hopium in it, and for these 2 reasons. First off, Extraction is gonna be a really cool mode where there's going to be an extraction zone. Both teams have to fight for the extraction zone and plant the extraction device and then thus defend it. So it has a little attack and defend all built in one game mode. And the second thing is what it seems the Spartans are extracting, which looks like a flood spore, which is kind of an offhanded confirmation that the flood is coming to Halo Infinite.